Today I'm diving into OpenGL, SDL2 and GML. I'm learning by experimenting with code and just debugging stuff with ChatGPT. And yep, it's basically all about just breaking things, breaking the program, just fixing bugs and errors, and really trying to understand and uncovering the code and how it works, So yep, today is day 21 of documenting my journey of creating SpaceWise, my space mission simulator. And yep, right now I'm just gonna show you what I did today. So the main thing that I did was just create this app, So we have here a bunch of header files and source files, but I did not create this. This was literally everything or almost everything with ChatGPT. And you might think, why the hell did I do this? Well, just to play with the code and see what I could do and to try to understand it and have some motivation to learn more and just see how things would look, see what I could create. And let me show you what I did today. So let me show you 1 second. If I do this and if I do this, I think you could see it. Here it is. So this is a triangle, but it's not any triangle. You can control it with your arrows. Wait, I can't. Oh yeah, I can. Nice. Look, blah, 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 blah. You do like this and you can control it easily. And that's it. And that's it. That's what I did today with ChatGPT. And yeah, then I basically just tried to fix bugs. I mean, to get to this point, I had to really just fix a bunch of things and play with the directories and fix some errors, fix some headers some shaders that could not be loaded because they were in a folder and I had to get them out. Now it was a bunch of many things, and I really tried to focus on learning the code and understanding or trying to understand, because if you ask me what does this do, I would have to think a little bit about it to tell you. And I mean, this is I guess this just processes the input, as you see here. Takes an event, maybe an arrow press, a key press. This is a running. I don't know what does this do. This is an camera object and a spacecraft object. The spacecraft is basically the triangle. So yeah, here we have the include files, the header files for the shader, the camera, the planet, and the spacecraft. The planet, I could not put it on the program yet, so still have to do that. And yeah, then I had to work to set up the libraries and everything well. So if you I had to go over here to the C++ thing and go here to add the include folders of each library. Here GLM doesn't have an include, but if you just put it there, if you put it like this, the access to the folder, it works. So that's nice. You might ask, what is this solution there? This is the solution. This is the the folder where the solution, the file of the solution, is located in. So it is a .sln file, and it's basically, I think it's this file, but yeah, it's where solution there, it's where the file is located. And this is just to go back, the two dots, and the this thing is to go back one directory. So imagine if we are here on spacecraft, this is inside the source files. If I do ... and the slash, we would go to this level, like would be on the level of these folders. If we go back even one more, we would be on the level of this, like of the solution, and this, like, I don't know if you can understand, I hope you can. But yeah, that's basically it. Happened with the shaders as well. Like I was here, I was here trying to load some shaders, but they were inside a folder, and then it didn't work, so I had to put them over here. Anyways, bunch of stuff. Maybe I can show you the ChatGPT thing that I like, my chat. So yeah, here it is. I mean, this is what I did today. It was a bunch of, like, a little bit of stuff. So I asked some code here, then it was error, then I tried to do that, then tried to solve it. And then I just tried to make the program more complicated. And yeah, just fixing stuff. Because ChatGPT didn't give me the code perfectly, so I had to try to understand it and fix the bugs, which is really good. And like, maybe I put, you see here, I put the error code, and then it gave me a bunch of possible solutions, and I tried every single one of them, and like to try every single one of them, I had to understand at least a little bit of the code, so that's really nice. Yep, I also got like some experience with knowing like how header files and source files connect to each other, and how the object-oriented programming environment works. Like a little bit, got to understand that a little bit. Yeah. I still don't understand half of this, but I think it would be a bit difficult to understand everything in one day. But to be honest, if I actually looked in more, I would be able to understand this. If I actually studied this properly, I think I could. But yeah, I think this is gonna be it for today. I'm just gonna talk about the next day. So the next day, I'm thinking I'm gonna experiment with a different style of video. So I'll try to make it more like vlog style. So for example, I'll take you with me to, I don't know, if I make breakfast, I'll explain why I'm doing that and why I'm eating what I'm eating. And like, maybe I'll do a video at school and I'll say something, who knows. I'm gonna try that. I think it might be more entertaining. And when I work, I will just put a time lapse of what I'm doing. So yeah, I think that's pretty good. I'll try that. I'll experiment. So yeah, bye bye. Have a nice one.